Focus on your strengths and not your weaknesses. Stop trying to get good at things that you just naturally suck at. Stop wasting all of your time and energy trying to improve things that you'll never be anything more than average at, okay? Way too many people these days, both male and female, make this common mistake. They get so fixated on their weaknesses, they get so insecure about them that they spend their lives, they spend years, they spend a ton of money trying to fix these things when they will never be anything more than average at it, if that, okay, if that. So I want you to focus on the things that you're good at. Focus on the things that you are naturally talented at, your strengths, not your weaknesses, but your strengths. Okay, because when you do that, you will excel at life. You will become successful. Okay, right now I'm out here in the freezing ass cold over here by the Mirage Hotel, across from the Venetian and across from the Wynn where I'm staying, right? It's freezing right now, it's 6 a.m. I've been out here since 4:30 a.m. shooting these coaching videos. I was out late last night doing game. I was over at XS over here trying to pull girls. I was cold approaching girls. I was talking non-stop all night. It was really crowded in there. It was like super loud, so I feel like I'm losing my voice. I feel like I'm even getting a little sick. But yet, instead of going to sleep, I'm out here shooting these coaching videos. I'm just banging away. I'm grinding. I'm still up. I'm still pounding away. I'm still punching. What gives me the ability to do that? It's the fact that I'm sitting here and I'm focusing on my strengths, what I am naturally talented at, what I'm good at, rather than my weaknesses. Okay? And that's pretty much something I've done all my life. I've always focused on my strengths. Whenever somebody's told me like, oh, you know, you suck at this. You really suck at this. Instead of like falling under their little trap and trying to qualify myself to them, instead I'm like, yeah, maybe I do suck at this. But you know what? I'm good at this. And I'm great at that. And I could kick your ass at that. Right? I focus on my strengths. I don't worry about the weaknesses. Because the things that you are just naturally suck at, there's a reason why you suck at these things. It's because you don't have any passion for it. It's just your DNA is not set up for that. I mean, your DNA is telling you that you suck at this for a reason. So you should listen to it, right? You should listen to your gut and stop trying to fix it, because you only have so much time, right? You only have so much time before you're gone, before you're 6 feet under. So while you're still here, while you still have your youth and energy, start focusing on your natural talents. Start focusing on those things that you are just naturally good at. And start honing that. Start becoming the best that you possibly can be at that. As you guys know, I've been doing a lot more business coaching lately, and I get a lot of newbie entrepreneurs tell me like, hey, what type of business should I start? And like a prototypical newbie, what they do is they focus on the money. So they try to chase the money, and they're like, oh, I'm gonna start like a Amazon business or a Shopify store, and I'm gonna do, you know, retail arbitrage. I'm gonna buy products off AliExpress and then I'm gonna sell them on Amazon, or I'm gonna do private labeling, I'm gonna do this, or I'm gonna sell these things on eBay. And they start chasing the money, and then they realize very quickly, like, the competition is fierce. Oh my gosh, this market is so flooded. I got in too late. Because they are not focusing on their strengths, okay? They're not focusing on their weaknesses either, but they're not focusing on their strengths. Whereas I made that same mistake. And it wasn't until I settled down and I created a pickup business, right? I started teaching guys pickup because that is something that I'm naturally good at. And I did it at a time where pickup was dying, right? The popularity was gone. But the techniques still work, and I stand by that. They still work to this day. Okay, they still work to this day. I get phenomenal reviews from my students, and obviously, you know, in our capitalistic society, if it didn't work, people wouldn't buy it. Okay, so I'm tired of hearing these guys like, scam, scam. It's like, you dumbass. If a product is a scam, especially in today's like internet environment, it's gonna fail fast, okay? But in any case, I focused on my strengths and I built a business based on my strengths, even when the popularity was gone, even when the market was flooded with competitors, especially since these top guys have already like saturated the market, and they had like the lion's share of market share, right? They had the lion's share of students who did want to learn pickup. I still started my business because it was something I was naturally talented at. And lo and behold, that business became successful. Okay, it became successful. It freed me from my corporate job. I never have to go back again. Okay, so just understand, you know, how vital this is, that you guys just stop obsessing over the things that you're not good at. Stop obsessing and stop getting so insecure about things that you can't fix, that you can't control, right? There's a reason why God did not gift you with certain talents, and there's a reason why He did gift you with certain talents. So take advantage of it. Take advantage of the talents that you have, because there are talents that you have that you are ignoring because you're so busy trying to work on all of your weaknesses that, again, you really will never get that good at, above average. So I'm gonna keep this one short. That's all I have to say for tonight's coaching video, guys. Actually, it's morning. What am I talking about? I'm like that half asleep. Like tonight's coaching video. It's 6 a.m. right now. So I've got a few more to bang away before I head back to my hotel, and I'm gonna take like a hot ass shower, and I'm just gonna hide under the covers. I'm so cold right now, it's insane. But what drives me to be out here at this time, after being up all night and being exhausted, is the fact that I'm out here honing my talent, honing something that I'm naturally good at, honing something that gives me power. Because when you focus on your strengths, you will gain power. You will become successful. Okay, maybe not immediately, and sometimes you will see immediate success. When you are on your path and purpose and you are focusing on your strengths and you're honing your natural born talents, not your natural born weaknesses, but your natural born talents, you will be out here doing shit like I'm doing right now, where at 6 a.m. I'm freezing my ass off. I've been up all night. I went to excess. I was clubbing. I was trying to pull girls. And here I am sniffling away and banging this coaching video away for you. So that's all I have to say for today's coaching video. Until next time, this is Matt Cross from Alpha Male Secrets. Do not forget to smash that like button below, and also hit that notification bell right next to it so that you are notified whenever I release a brand new coaching video here on YouTube. More importantly, guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel. It's very, very important you guys subscribe to my channel. It tells YouTube that you love what I'm doing, you're digging it, you're feeling it, and you support my work. As I sit out here in the freezing morning, cold ass air. I don't even know what to call it. I'm losing my train of thought because my brain is frozen right now. So please make sure you subscribe to my channel as well. And for you guys who want to support my work and all of this red pill content I've been teaching guys on my channel here lately, the best way to do that is by becoming a premium member of my premium Alpha Male Secrets channel, which I am hosting on a private platform away from YouTube. And that's just to protect my content and protect my subscribers in the event that YouTube decides to shut me down one day. And especially with what you see YouTube doing, it would not come as a surprise. But if you are part of my premium channel, you won't have to worry about that, right? Because I'm paying a private platform to host all of my premium Alpha Male Secrets content. So if you want to become a premium member of my premium Alpha Male Secrets channel, it's only $1 for the entire first month of premium content. Okay, it's just $1. Who can't afford $1? And all you need to do to get signed up is just click that link below in my description box. It will take you over to my website where you can get signed up right now. It just takes 2 seconds. So do that now, and I will see you in my next coaching video. Signing out from Las Vegas Boulevard, here by the Palazzo.